everyone. Today, nasa beach kami kasi itong dalawa, meron pa rin ubo, sipon. Hindi pa sila okay. Hanggang hopefully, makatulong sa coughing nila. And it's nice here kasi free yung beach na to. This is our new ride. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Yes, and wow. ERVS 4. Look at the beach. Namin dala mga foods and everything. Hello, Baba.
Hi. I was just preparing my photo.
Preparing to swim.
Yeah.
So, pagkagaling sa bahay, kanina 64 volts yan. Wala pang bago. Galing sa bahay, papunta dito mga 6 kilometers yata. Nag-swim si Kuya, nagpa-floating. Floating din siya, Hi, Kuya. Are you done na?
Yeah, what time is it?
Kain po. Picnic by the beach.
There's a lot of confused houses.
Huh?
Art was so good.
Scary. We are now going up to Valencia from Bacong. And nag-stopwatch ako from there sa beach kasi nag-beach kami. And I am now running 25 kilometers per hour. Maximum na yan at gear number 2. So, kanina yung battery namin was 64 volts. And paakyat kasi to paakyat to Valencia. Kaya titingnan natin kung pagdating sa bahay gaano pa karami yung battery and kung ilang oras tayo makakarating at 25 kilometers per hour. Okay. Sa bahay na kami and kanina yung trip namin pala from Bacong papunta dito sa bahay ay 6 kilometers and yung natirang battery is 62. So 2 volts ang nabawas.